Hi guys, sorry that my voice sounds really bad because actually I have um microphone on and it's screen recording, so yeah. Anyways, uh, we're gonna look at my avatars. First of all, we have this shadow milk. I love it. Lol. I was really bored with the name of this one. I was just calling it Ying. Anyway, this is pure vanilla. This is pure vanilla cinnamon roll. Don't ask why it's called pajama. And then we have marker. I love them. Marker the green. Then we have stupid this stupid X thingy. I only have like 6 Robux left, but then I spent it all like on something else. Oh yeah, people, and I swear, if I see in the comments that people call me retro slope, I'm coming for you. Oh yeah, this was also the normal one. No, this is grassy. This one's better the same, but when I go in R6, yeah, it's Shadow McGrassy. But with the, hey, go to characters, yeah. Then if you go here, then press R6, just grass. When I play R6 games, it feels really awkward. Now we have this. I was trying to make zip from FB in like, but in like a blanket and really cute hat. Yeah, this is just normal zip. Biggie. This is the Biggie. Biggie Claire. Tall Shadow Milk. Then we have our sixth Shadow Milk. Our sixth Shadow Milk. Then we have Mini Shadow Milk. Gubby Shadow Milk. Hey, show Gubby Shadow Milk. Stop looking at my robe. He's looking at you. Why does he not have an eye? Now this is other Mini Shadow Milk, but with a hat. This literally has no change. The only change is I have the Bolt Shadow Milk. Bolt Shadow Milk. The only head pure vanilla. Then we have Elliot Friend. Yeah, the face is kind of blurry. Now we have this thing, this creature. Yeah, this is just a matching for bestie. How I say that? Now it's emo. Emo me. Haha, I'm emo. Cool kid. Didn't really try. Now we are. Wait, isn't it the same? Oh wait, without the change. Now you see. Now Shadow Milk again. Do you have Pukeko? Pukeko. Shadow Milk. Oh yeah, guys, please ignore these taps. Cause I'm on mobile right now. Another Pukeko, but without the staff. Oh yeah, I have no idea what happened, but it's just Shadow Milk. Just Shadow Milk with a 3D head. Everything's 3D all. Bald Shadow Milk. Then we have this all. Gnarpy. We don't have a Gnarpy. What is it? Oh, a Gnarpy, I guess. Wait, what's it? Yeah, I keep forgetting stuff, man. Gnarpy, I don't really know what we're missing, but yeah, this is one of my old avatars. I loved it actually. Pure Vanilla Pajama. E. Pure Vanilla Pajama. Again. With Bobetta shirt. Is it? This is a sick. Yeah, I was trying to make a Yara cosplay, but the head got removed. Another cool kid. We don't talk about this one. Yeah, we have Edward. Chibi Edward. Don't knife me. Abby. Chubby Abby. Wait, what happened here? Then we have Pure Vanilla. Again. I don't know what happened here. Oh wait, this was the older baby that got removed. Then we have Zip Chibi. Then we have Leafy cosplay. Just a normal avatar. Trust me, this is not a pin cosplay. There was Zip, Zippy, Rippy, Rap. Then I have no idea how this happened, but Lana just got doomed like 3 times. I actually just pasted her 3 times somehow. But this is a Murder Jones OC. I didn't really have Robux then. Hell. This Shelly, I tried to make cosplay, but the head also got deleted. Bobetta, another Pure Vanilla. Bobetta again. Oh yeah, that Tail. It's Chimkin. It's a Chimkin Pure Vanilla. Oh yeah, I made a chicken chili in mini Pure Vanilla. Oh yeah, this is Sprout cosplay. So slay, right? This is Astro. Why does he have black hair? V, human V. Miss Tavel, I guess. Emo. Me if I was emo. I don't know what this one's called, but it looks really dumb and I look like a furry. Two has a bald spot. Two doesn't have arms no more. Wait, he's turning into 1. 9. I love him actually. We have this was supposed to be Dandy. X also doesn't have arms. What? Wait, this is Cosmo. V again. Gnarpy again. Claire. We have N from Murder Jones. Balden with glasses. Alice. Another Alice. Alice again. Oliver. Alice. Why do I have so many Alice, man? What's he called again? Zesty Femboy. Uzi. Another Zesty Femboy. Gnarpy. V. Another N. You have Oliver. Gnarpy. V, but weird. Zesty Femboy. You have this thing that always comes under my bed for some reason. And we have Lana. called FP. Where'd it go? We have Gnarpy again. We have, what is this? Why did I even save this? Oliver, Zip. We have Oliver again. Danger Oliver. We have V. We have another Chibi. Then we have Miss Circle. We have Chibi Mistavo. Wait, what is this? Oliver. Don't ask why there's a Toodles bag. Just liked it. Goob. Oh yeah, I forgot I had this on. It's cosplaying as Toodles, but I accidentally deleted that outfit and I didn't really like Toodles then. I don't really care. Then I have this. Oh yeah, Zip. Shrimpy. Goob. Saddle. Zesty Femboy. Uzi again. Goob again. Uzi again. Goofy. Scooby-Doo Snap. Okay, Mistavo. Zesty Femboy. Gnarpy. Why did I name it Robux? Oh wait, this one I first ever got Robux. Oh, Alice. Shrimpo. Oh yeah, this is one of my super old friends. I loved her, man. Zesty Femboy. Zip. Old Avatar. Another old. Why did I name it Superman? Yeah, this was a. What was it called? A Cosmo cosplay and V cosplay. Don't ask why it's like this. And my first ever avatar ever, Lola. Well, now I'm going to be my normal avatar again. Bye guys.